Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a dense hardwood log, about 20-30 cm across, and checking the grain. This gives sustain and punch. Once picked, position it on sandbags or a simple cradle so it can vibrate freely. Make sure the log sits about 10-15 cm elevated to project sound. Now mark your note zones with chalk. Each strike area should be roughly 5-7 cm wide. Begin with light test taps to hear where the wood rings most. That tells you where to carve. You now carve the tongues. Keep cuts consistent and remove small amounts at a time because each millimeter changes pitch and attack. Use a rasp, then files for smoothing. Once done, tap after each pass to track tuning. Hollowing internal chambers to about 1/3 of thickness boosts overtones and projection, but make sure you don't thin the rim. Rigid edges keep attack tight. If a note is too dead, restore stiffness by shaving the belly near the rim. Then retest until the hit feels immediate and focused. You finish by sealing the wood with a thin oil or light lacquer to protect and keep highs alive. Heavy varnish will smother the attack. Tune your playing position. Striking 1-2 cm closer to the rim sharpens attack, whereas center strikes give more boom. If the drum sounds dull, probe one fix. Slightly deepen internal chambers or carefully thin the tongue edges to restore snap. Finally, listen in the performance space and make small adjustments. What sound?
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.